What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Afro Sniper X, and today I'm going to be showing you how to repair the crawl puncher breaker if you have a pellet enlarged into your gun. So let me get my crawl puncher breaker. I'm gonna put her right here on the table, and let me get my toolbox and all the things I'm gonna need, and we're gonna get right into it. Crawl puncher breaker. Oh yes. Now a basic toolbox with your basic tools, Allen keys, all that good stuff is pretty much all you're gonna need. Now, I just did this the other day and I recorded it with a friend of mine, but wasn't able to capture the audio in the video because I was using a screen recorder, because we were doing all of this on live stream because he's located in the UK. So I was hoping that I would get to share that with you guys, but unfortunately the screen recorder doesn't catch audio when you're live streaming trying to use it, if that makes sense. So that definitely sucks. So first thing first, taking this gun apart, is you're going to have this piece right here, right on the handle. Get a little Allen key like this and just work it out. It fits right into that hole. Once you get it, it's going to be pop right out, and you're going to get access to that Allen key right up in there. So that's what we're going to do next, is remove that bad boy. So let's see. Bam, perfect fit. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take it out, screw it as much as you can to the point where it will just fall out. I believe we're at that point. So yeah. So this is what's gonna pop out right here. There we go. So make sure you keep all your tools, all the pieces that come off, in eye view. That way nothing gets lost, because that would be horrible if you lost something that you truly needed to put your gun back together, right guys? So after you do that, you're just gonna give a quick little tug and it's gonna pop off. Pop off the stock, the bullpup stock. So you're gonna have this piece right here, and you're gonna have your gun right here. Now, you're gonna need a different size Allen key. I don't have the sizes written on my Allen keys, so fortunately I can't give that part to you. But I'll show them to the camera so you can get a good idea of what size they are. Okay. I believe this is the bad boy I need right here, I think. Nope, that one is too big. Looks like a little bit smaller, a wee smaller. Okay, let's try this one. Nope, this is for sure too small. Okay, I know exactly what I'm going to have to use. Where's that tool? Let me find the tool, everybody. Sometimes I misplace some stuff. It happens. There. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Maybe I'm looking right over it. Well, give me 1 second. I'm going to have to do a deep look. Found it. It was sitting on top of my shelf. So you're going to need one of these. And I believe this one actually does have the markings on it. 10, you're going to need a number 10 Allen key adapter. I'm actually using a star key, even though this is an Allen key, because for some reason it just catches this Allen key perfectly. So number 10 star key will work perfectly for the cheek adjustment screw, because you're going to need to remove that. So, boom, comes off. Now, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a small size flathead screwdriver. And I will show you what that looks like in just a second, as soon as I find it. Here we go. It's going to look just like that. So you see, this is bigger, obviously, than this. You're going to want to use something like this. This is not going to be good. It's not going to catch the screw. It's just going to glide right over it. So you're going to get that, and you're going to screw this out. No parts will fly out if you haven't done this and you don't know. Like I said, I just did this my first time the other day. Let me turn this way. I think it might be a little bit easier to get it. Yeah, it's a little bit easier. I'm going to drop the camera to you so you guys kind of get a little better view of where I'm unscrewing. So right here, that screw right there. It's a little slippery. And I'm pretty sure it has to do with the angle that I'm trying to get this out at. There we go. She's coming though. She's coming out. Damn, this is really an awkward angle though. It'd be better this way. There we go. I actually don't remember this screw being this hard to get out last time. There we go. All right, well, I just learned something new. Take the tension off. Take the tension off. Open up the lever on the Kral puncher breaker when you're taking that screw out, because I just noticed it put some tension on it. So instead of screwing it when it's closed like that, open it up and unscrew that. So, all right, so, and the screw's going to come out looking like this. All right, you're going to get a little Allen key. There's going to be a top little bolt right underneath there. It's going to slide out. Slide right out. Just got to catch it perfectly, which I just did. And it looks like this. And this is where the screw goes when you're screwing from the top. Keeps everything fastened in. So, as you can see, the bolt and everything, and the spring is right here, is right in there. That's where I had my pellet lodged in at. Right in there, guys. So that's all you're going to have to do. And then get you either some tweezers, is what I recommend, or a small Allen key if you don't have any tweezers. And kind of just put this in there and just kind of gently get that pellet out. May take some time, but you will get it done. And that's literally it to getting the pellet that's trapped in there. And afterwards, after everything is all good and gravy and you got everything put back, you're gonna get this small piece right here. I'm gonna drop this camera again so you get a better view. You're gonna put this piece right here, right there, right in that hole, right there. Then you're gonna get this screw, and you're gonna line everything up. So you got to make sure that this hammer is open again, so it catches that screw. You're gonna take your screwdriver, start screwing it in. Make sure it's nice and tight. Boom. So that is on there. Then you're going to take your bullpup stock, take your gun, and you're going to line it up nicely. And then it might be a little tight, so what I recommend doing is getting your finger, but be very careful because it could pinch your fingers, so be very careful when you do this. And just gently open up the stock a little bit, and it'll fit right in there perfectly, guys. Make sure everything is nice, set up perfectly. Then you're going to put the gun on its side. You're going to take this screw, put it on the end of the Allen key. A very long Allen key like this is what I recommend. You're going to put it in the hole. Now it is kind of dark, so you may need a flashlight, but you should be able to get it, as I just did right now. And then you're just gonna screw it in there. Just work it in there. And you'll feel it tighten up. Bam. Tighten it up. So that's on there. Give it a good tug just to make sure everything's good. I recommend dry firing just to make sure everything's working properly. Always keep your muzzle to the air, to the floor. Works good. Now, that is exactly how you do it. How you get a pellet out of your gun that's trapped in that area of the gun if it's trapped somewhere else. Pretty sure there's videos out there that will show you how to extract that pellet. So definitely. Now we're going to go out to the range because I have to sight this bad boy in. I want to do some shooting with my Kral puncher breaker today because it's been a while. And may take my Umark's gauntlet out too. Sling some 25 calibers today, maybe. Who knows? But as far as fixing that, that is how it goes. And last but not least, which I'm pretty sure you guys can completely figure out, but I'll show you guys how to do it. Just a pop-on piece. Take that piece right there that you pulled off. Don't forget about it. And just put it in there. If you just take your two thumbs and just push it like that, it'll pop right in there. And it won't come out. Don't worry about it coming out, guys. It's not going to come out. Then you're going to take your cheek adjuster. And you're going to put it right on there. Line it up with the holes. Remember, size 10 star key. Works perfectly. So. I think that's good. Perfect. Perfect. And that's how you take the gun apart. And like I said, extract a pellet that's gotten trapped right there in your spring area. And gun is fully put back together now. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope it was very helpful. Hope you guys learned something as I learned something. That's what I like to do, is learn with you guys. And so our intelligence for air guns just expands together. So teamwork makes the dream work, guys. Don't forget that. It's your boy Afro Sniper X. You know, keep popping that air, shooting that lead, and stay dangerous, guys. You know what it is. Oh, yes. I'll see you out on the range. Wah! Now I got my pump set up. About to hook it up to my crawl puncher breaker. We're going to pump it up real quick. That way we could take it outside and shoot some lead and make sure everything's running smoothly. Because that's one thing I haven't done since I fixed it, is I did run a clip through it, but that was it. And the whole clip did work. Didn't get any, there was no issues. But right now what we're going to do is I changed scopes on this crawl puncher breaker. It's still Pinty rifle optics. Guys, you guys know I love their company. We're going to pump it up, we're going to take it outside, and we're going to sight in the scope too. So it's just going to be a bunch of things that we're going to do today with the crawl puncher breaker. Not to the crawl puncher breaker, with the crawl puncher breaker. So I got everything set up, just got to hook the pump up. So we're going to do that right now. Bam, got everything on there. Now it's time for the workout, guys. It's time for the workout. Make sure before you pump your gun up, all valves are tightened and all that good stuff. That way, you know, everything's secure. One of these days, I'm going to give you guys a count of how many pumps from an empty tank to a full tank on the crawl puncher breaker. Right now, though, I don't feel like doing that, and I'm too many pumps in. Haven't counted. I don't know where I'm at right now. I'm just paying attention to the gauge. And every great once in a while, I do like to go down here, and what I'll do is I'll take my thumb, because I'd rather my thumb get shot off than my face, just in case. You never know. But I put my thumb right there on the muzzle, and I'll look. Okay, we're almost exactly where I want to be. And that's my safe way of doing it. Like I said, I'd rather my thumb go off than my face. But I will say, whoever decided to put the gauge right there, that's just not smart. Yeah. I would put it on the bottom of like the stock somewhere or something like that, but you know, it's no biggies. All right, we're gonna check it one more time. Like I said, take the thumb just to cover that hole. All right, almost there. I'd say about maybe 25 pumps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's just check before we hit that 5. Yeah, I'd say 10 should do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's check. Looks good to me. I'll release that excess air. Give it a quick second. Just let that excess air escape real fast. Boom. And there you go. We have a pumped crawl puncher breaker, guys. So now, next step is loading some pellets up into the clips, a rotator magazines, to be Pacific. Load the gun up, take it to the backyard, release that safety, and pull that trigger, guys. So let's get started on that. Oh yeah. All right. So today we're going to be using some of the painted pellets. I know if some of you guys have seen some of my posts on Facebook when I said one of the painted pellets got trapped in my gun. I wasn't talking crap about it, guys. Get that straight. Wasn't talking crap. I actually like the painted pellets. I like them a lot, actually. So I'm just gonna pop a squat Indian style right here on the floor, next to my pump and my gun. All that's cool, all that good stuff. So, oh yes. Like I said, we're using the painted pellets. These are pretty good pellets. So you can see the painted, that bright luminescent yellow. So that way it makes it a little easier to track your round when you're shooting them. So that's pretty cool. If you guys don't know about these pellets, check them out. Painted Pellets. Hit him up on Instagram, Facebook, and I don't know if he has a Twitter or anything else, but I know you can definitely find him on those two social media platforms. So that's awesome. Good info. Hope it helps. Now I will say I do have one clip already loaded up, so that is good. So I'm gonna touch that bad boy. Just gotta load one up. I hope everybody's having an awesome day today. I don't know how the forecast is in your guys' areas, but it's not too bad outside today. It looks like it's sunny, a little sunny, but still has a little chill outside. Still cold as all heck, but at least the sun's out, so that's somewhat of a beautiful day. And bam, last one. And as you can see, it does clock back now. That problem was fixed. This is a little wiggly, so we're going to tighten that up before we do anything, y'all. Let me grab my tool. Yeah, because I don't like how movie that is. Okay, that's weird. Okay, well, looks like we have a small problem, but not a problem we can't fix, so that's good. Ugh. God, I hate these Allen keys sometimes, though. There we go. All right. Bam. That's all I needed. Okay, so let's roll the test off. Bam. Let's try this again. Bam. Now it's not moving no more. The cheek adjusting piece was a little wobbly, but we got it nice and tight now. So, good stuff, good stuff. All right, I'm gonna grab my gun, and we're gonna go out to the range, y'all. What? Okay, so we're out here right now, and I'm going to lift up my MCM shooting rest. It's the Predator shooting rest, so I'm going to raise that up and get everything sided up. So I'm going to put this bad boy right here real quick. I really like this Predator shooting rest, guys. I believe Pyramid Air has it for like 30-40 bucks. Recommend getting it if it's something that you need. This is a very affordable and durable one. One thing I will say is it's not the best for resting bullpups, but it does have a little comfort point where it sits pretty nicely. Okay, they're not actually too bad. It's actually looking pretty damn good. All right, scoot it over just a little bit. All right. Sweet. Maybe drop just a little bit more. pretty lined up. Let's see, that's about perfect right there, yo. Actually, even better right there. Yeah, it's looking good. No, it's a little too high. Let's try it this way. Perfect. That way you guys are able to see. All right, start shooting, y'all. Heard something fall, so gotta make sure everything's still centered. All right, cool. Really high. Looks like we're shooting really high. Is that straight in the middle? No, okay. That's what I was looking at. It looked like a hole from back there. All right. All right, let's keep shooting. All right, let's see where we're at. looks like I've gotten it pretty tight, so we're gonna take a couple more shots. But right there's where I've got it. I've got it sight in, zeroed in, I mean. So we're gonna play with it a little bit and just make sure everything's exactly where it needs to be. Alright, yeah, that's exactly right where I want it to be, so that's good. So we got a nice little quarter grouping right here. It's pretty good. I'm satisfied with that. I'm not worried about if it's like spot on because I'm not hunting with it right now. So I'm gonna go get a Sharpie and we're gonna break down where it was at originally, where I secondly got it sighted into, and then the final zeroing in. So let me go get a Sharpie and we'll get into that. Yeah. Okay, got the Sharpie. So when I first started shooting the gun, today when I just brought it out here and put it on my Predator rest, I was shooting up here, right? Dropped the crosshairs, played with my windage a little bit, and I got to right there. Did the same thing again, took a couple more shots, placed it, and now we're zeroed in. And that's working good. I'm super happy. Just got it zeroed in. I put a different scope on it. So pretty cool stuff. So I hope this helps out. I hope you guys were able to learn from this experience as I did. And yeah, this was just a fun day shooting some guns, and yeah. So right now what we're gonna do is just knock those cans down and talk to you guys just a little bit, you know. Tell you guys what else I got going on, all that good stuff. So releasing a weekly vlog video today. Me and my wife went out and had some fun last night, so you guys should definitely check that out. It looks like we got 5 rounds left, 5 pellets left, and we got four terrorist targets, 4 terrorist cans, as I should say. So we're gonna take these terrorist cans out, and yeah. So let's do some can hunting, y'all. Let's do some can hunting. All right. It's 1 can down. Better. Man. So we got 1 can down. Two cans down. We got the spinning target. I'm gonna place you guys down there for the last 2 shots. How about that? So let's take you guys down there. Gotta give you guys perfect visual, so gotta put you guys somewhere you guys could see perfectly. Nope, that's not good enough. Let's put you guys in. Let's see. Camera angles. All right, I think this might not work. Uh-oh. Bam. Okay. I'm gonna be shooting for this right here, guys. Let's do it. We got one shot left, guys. So let's make this bad boy count. Ooh. Damn, I missed. Slightly missed. But that's okay. I literally just slightly missed. All right. But it's been a good day today, guys. I cannot lie. So, hope you guys enjoyed everything today. It's your boy Afro Sniper X, and this is the repair video, guys. How to fix the Kral puncher breaker when it has a pellet caught in the spring area of the gun. So, showed you guys how to get that out, and yeah. It's all about having fun and learning and new experiences and all that good stuff. So like I said before, keep popping that air, shooting that lead, and stay dangerous, guys. I'll see y'all next time.